Understanding the phrase, baste with butter, in cooking. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a tasty phrase that you might come across in English recipes or cooking shows. Baste with butter. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's also a great example of how English uses specific verbs and prepositions in a culinary context. So, let's unravel this flavorful expression together. Baste with butter is a phrase made up of two key components, baste and with butter. To understand it fully, we'll explore each part separately. Baste. Basting is a cooking technique. It involves pouring or spooning liquid over a food, usually while it's being cooked. This liquid could be the food's own juices, a sauce, or a marinade. The purpose of basting is to add flavor and prevent the food, especially meat, from drying out during cooking. With butter. Butter is a dairy product used in many cuisines around the world. In our phrase, butter is the liquid used for basting. It's melted and then applied to the food. Butter is known for adding a rich flavor and a golden color to dishes. Basting with butter is not just a cooking method. It's a way to enhance the flavor and texture of food. Let's look at why it's so special. 1. Flavor. Butter adds a creamy and rich taste. 2. Texture. It helps in achieving a crispy and golden exterior. 3. Moisture. Basting keeps the food moist and tender. Here's where we put our phrase into action. Basting with butter is commonly used in 1. Roasting, like basting a turkey or chicken in the oven. 2. Baking. Brushing pastries or bread with butter for a golden crust. 3. Sautéing. Spooning melted butter over vegetables or meats in a pan. And that's baste with butter for you. A simple yet essential technique in cooking that elevates the taste and appearance of your dishes. I hope this explanation helps you not just in understanding the phrase but also inspires you to try it out in your kitchen. Happy cooking and learning!